What is up, everyone? So I'm back here in Erie at Erie Single Tracks. Last time I was here I think was back in June, so a couple months ago, and I just thought I'd revisit it because they just recently rebuilt the black line, so I wanted to check that out. And yeah, they made the jumps a lot more bigger, the berms are a lot steeper, just the black line is a lot more, I guess you could say, massive. So I'm going to take you down a run on the black line, but I also noticed the blue line, they made some changes also. First I'll show you guys the black line. First off, this berm right here is rebuilt. A couple rollers, step up, another berm. This has been rebuilt. Oh, I got a little squirrely on that one. And you got a little climb. But you can kind of see off to the right. That's where we're going to go down next. Those berms. All right. These berms have been rebuilt. Little step down, another massive berm, another one, little tabletop. All right. I go back and do another climb. Alright, now the black line splits here to the right, and we'll go to the left. So this is all new. You have two choices: two stone kickers into this massive step up, and a roller or a double. To this stone kicker, that one, this one's huge. I case that left or right. I'm gonna go to the right into this berm, into these last rollers right here, and that's pretty much the new stuff on the black line. Not gonna lie, I was a little surprised at how much bigger those jumps are. Now we start our trip back up to the top. Alright guys, finally made it back to the top. Let's go around this little berm here. We're gonna take the black or the blue line down. Like I said, they made some changes on this too, which I didn't know. The little rollers. dome kicker. One more rollers in this berm. Branch off to the left. This is new. One more rollers to pump. This is new right here. This is new. Pretty sweet. And back to the top. So yeah guys, just like my previous video I made on this place a couple months ago, it's a pretty awesome place to go. It's a lot of fun, and the changes they made, or the improvements, however you want to look at it, definitely for the better. Either way, this place is a lot of fun. So like usual guys, if you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, leave comments, and thanks for watching.